Okay, now connect the Start node with the Select Rows node. This means our process begins and immediately pulls the required data from the database. Now, the data is available in a list format in the variable we created earlier. From that list, we want to extract two specific values, claim count and total claim amount. To extract those values, we'll use a script node. So let's search for script under the automation section and drag it onto the canvas. When we click on the script node, we can select the programming language for writing our script. We'll choose Python here. Then we click on the script option, which opens a pop-up where we can write our code. You can even maximize the editor for a better view. On the left side of the script panel, you'll notice a few helpful sections. First is Standard Modules. These are the built-in modules supported for scripting. Then there's a Standard Functions section with useful helper functions. Most importantly, we have access to all the variables we've created so far. This is where we'll find the variable holding the result from the Select Rows node. Click on that variable, and you'll notice some pre-written syntax appears in the script editor. That's how we reference the value of the variable inside the script. Now, since we know our variable holds a list with a single JSON object that includes two keys, claim count and claim amount, we'll extract those values and assign them to two new variables inside the script. But just extracting them isn't enough. We need to make sure these values are passed out of the script node so they can be used in the rest of the flow. That's where the result variable comes in. In every script node, there's a built-in map called result, which holds key-value pairs. The keys you define in this map become the outputs of the node. So inside our script, we'll assign both extracted values to the result map with two meaningful keys. Now close the script editor and you'll see an option called Add Output. Click on it and you'll get two fields. The first one is for the key name you used in the result map inside your script. The second is a drop-down where you select which variable this key should be mapped to. For that, we'll create two new user variables, one for claim count and one for total amount, and map each output key to its respective variable. Once that's done, we've successfully extracted and stored both values and can now use them anywhere in our app.